GRCTools is a set of modules which can parse, standardize, format, enrich and correct international address data for every country. This video shows how GRCTools can parse and standardize data from the Netherlands. In this data, the full address has been stored in two fields. Multiple data types, like the postal code and the city name, have been placed in the same field. The data, such as the street types in this example, has been written inconsistently. Some postal codes, which should have a space between the numbers and the letters of the postal code, have been written without the space, and the city name has been written in many different ways. Furthermore, the data has been written in different cases. GRCTools can be used to resolve these problems. GRCTools can import data from a number of popular formats. After choosing the file name and specifying the field containing the country code, a filter may be added if required. Choose individual countries for processing, or let GRCTools work out which countries are in the data file. GRCTools can process data from any country. It will work with whichever country coding system you are using, and it will remember your answers from the previous session. GRCTools is fully modular. You need only run the processes that you require on your data. For this test file, we wish to locate and parse the postal codes, including those with incorrect formats. To correct the postal code format, in this case inserting the missing space between the numbers and the letters, we want to correct and standardize the casing of the street address. We want to standardize the street types, parse the house numbers to a new field, and parse and standardize the city names. For each process, GRCTools will ask you for the information it requires, in most cases remembering the answers given in the previous session, and allowing the user maximum flexibility in the way processing occurs. GRCTools will then batch process the file and report on its results. The output from this test can be seen in the next section. After processing, our Dutch test file looks like this. The house numbers, postal codes and settlement names have been passed into their own fields. The street types have been standardized. Spaces have been added to the postal codes where these had been missing. The settlement names have been localized and standardized. And the casing of the street names has been corrected.